Hello everyone, I am back with another unboxing. Today, I'll be talking about the iPhone 13 mini. This phone is an amazing device that is packed with so many features and benefits. Let me tell you all about it so that you can decide if this is the right phone for you or not. First, let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. This phone features a 5.4-inch screen with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The device is powered by the Apple A15 Bionic processor and runs on 4 GB of RAM. It comes with 128 GB up to 512 GB of internal storage. The iPhone 13 mini has a 12 plus 12 MP rear camera and a 12 MP front-facing camera. It packs a 2,438 mAh battery. The device is a dual SIM mobile that accepts Nano SIM and ASIM. The iPhone 13 mini's connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, 4G, and 5G. The screen is also a lot brighter and clearer than what has come before, so everything looks sharper and crisper. Even if you have an older phone, upgrading to this one will be like looking at an entirely new display for the first time, and it's much easier on your eyes. Overall, this is an amazing phone worth buying if you are looking for one that does everything well without any problems whatsoever. So, guys, thanks for watching and see you in my next video.